In February 2008, I arrived in America from a very long and tiring journey. But I was happy because coming to America was our dream. At some point, I thought it is the time to achieve the best of our lives in America. We were making our life again after a very terrible and poor life before coming to America. For 6 months, we didn't know when we will have a job. My mom and dad had some medical issues, so they were not working. We were saving our money every month. After fixing so many problems with money, we didn't lose our belief in the American dream. At first, we didn't have a car or a house for ourselves. My family worked a lot and they also have positive minds to achieve the American dream. My four brothers are working day and night in service jobs at a gas station, resort, and a grocery store to make money. One of my brothers was walking to work. My other brother goes to college, also by walking. My brothers feel that working is good for them because they can learn more and they can also get a better job in the future. My life has never been good because my family has too many financial problems. I have realized that making money is difficult in America. At some point, we thought that we had achieved the American dream because now we rent a house that is close to my school, and my brothers bought a car for us and for them so they can go to work easily. Still, we feel unsatisfied. We are still working without any rest to reach our goals. I think that working and doing something good makes us proud of bringing ourselves to the point where everything goes through a circle of opportunities and a great discovery of life. We will never lose hope to make our American dream come true.